typed this up on WordPad. Got it to the size I wanted. Printed it out. Mixed up some brown oxide paint with a whole bunch of water. Kind of tried to make it a little older than it is, and while I had that going, I stained or whatever, painted, trying to make it look like old wood, the popsicle stick sign that is actually going to go right there and cover Merry Christmas. I still got another coat or two to go on the truck, and I'll see you then. I'm putting the sign as if it's going to be full of trees. Made these in WordPad on the computer and printed them out. I'm going to color the paper to make it look like old strips of wood, and then I'm going to glue them right on the door. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so now. And if you liked the video, please share it with a friend.